Most people panic the moment KashKick stops working. They think the app is broken or their account is gone. But here's the truth, no one tells you. In most cases, KashKick is not actually down. It's usually a simple issue on your device, account, or network that can be fixed in minutes. In this video, you'll learn the real reasons KashKick stops working in 2026 and the exact steps to fix it so you can get back to earning without guessing. Let's start with the most common issue. The first reason is a poor internet connection or VPN conflict. KashKick relies on stable tracking for offers and surveys. If your connection keeps switching, or you are using a VPN, the app may stop loading tasks or freeze on the dashboard. So if someone like Alex turns on a VPN to access offers, KashKick may simply stop responding or show blank screens. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users think the app is down, but it's actually just stuck because the tracking system cannot verify location or device data properly. The second common issue is outdated app or browser data. If you are using KashKick on a browser, cached files can break the dashboard. If you are on mobile, an outdated version can stop offers from loading. The simple fix is clearing cache or updating the app to the latest version. But here's the problem most people miss. Even after clearing cache, they don't fully restart the device. A full restart resets background tracking services that KashKick depends on. The third issue is account verification or offer tracking delays. Sometimes your earnings or tasks will not show instantly. KashKick partners need time to confirm activity. So if you just completed a survey or installed an app, it may take a few hours or even days to update. Now, let's talk about browser issues, because this is a big one. If you are using Chrome with strict privacy settings or ad blockers, KashKick may not load properly. The platform uses tracking scripts, and if those are blocked, the site can look like it's not working at all. Turning off ad blockers or using a clean browser profile usually fixes this instantly. Another important fix is checking your login status. Sometimes sessions expire without warning, especially if you switch devices. Simply logging out and logging back in can restore everything. So here is the simple step-by-step fix. Check your internet, disable VPN, clear cache, update the app or browser, turn off ad blockers, restart your device, and log back in. In most cases, one of these steps solves the issue immediately. So to wrap it up, KashKick not working in 2026 is usually not a major problem. It's almost always a small technical issue or tracking delay that can be fixed quickly once you know where to look. If this helped you get your app working again, leave a comment with what fixed it for you, and subscribe for more simple fixes and real breakdowns of earning apps that actually work.